Hello guys, I hope everyone is doing good. Today we are making the South Indian dish. It's called like a idli. Now I'm going to show you the ingredient. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoon of enu, 1 teaspoon of red chili again. I have some curry leaves. I have some mustard seeds, some slices of lemon. I have 4 chilies. I have 1.5 cup of yogurt. I have a 1.5 cup of semolina flour. First I have to put the semolina flour in the bowl, then add the yogurt, mix it well. Now I have to add the salt, turmeric powder, chili powder, mix it again. Leave this dough for 2 or 3 minutes. This is my idli maker. I'm going to apply some oil in the idli maker because the idli cannot stick. Then I add 2 cup of water in the pan and then on the heat on the high, add some lemon pieces. Now is it time to mix up the enu. Mix the enu like that and it gets fluffy. Now I'm going to fill up this bowl now, 1 spoon. Now I'm going to stack this together. My water is done boiling. I have to keep this inside. The water is not touching the idli. This stand is made like that. And now I have to cover this one for 5 minutes on the high heat, then 5 minutes on the low heat. It has been already 5 minutes, so I'm going to slow the gas. Now I'm going to check the idlis. You have to check like that. You dip this one, it's not stick, so it means it's done. So it was done. I'm going to take it out. I have to saute this idli with oil. I have to put a little bit of oil, like 1 spoon of oil. Let it heat up. Oil is hot. I have to put the mustard seeds, curry leaves, green chilies and red chilies. And slow the gas. I turn off the gas. It is all done and time to serve in the plate with the coconut chutney. The idli you can eat with the coconut chutney or the sambar. Sambar and coconut chutney are ready in my recipes.